Hey everybody, Taylor with KC here, and today we are checking out a brand new accessory product for our RACKS roof racks. So these here are our Eyenut kits, and what the Eyenuts allow you to do is more easily mount gear and cargo to the top of your roof rack. Now each kit includes 2 carriage bolts, 2 Eyenuts, and the plastic washer that you need, so that way we're sure that there's no road noise or vibration issues from the metal on metal contact. Now, these kits are super simple to install, so I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. All you got to do is drop the carriage bolt into the top of the crossbars on the M-Rack and then tighten everything up, and then you can run your ratchet straps over your gear and mount it just like that. So let's take a quick look at how to mount these. All you got to do is get your carriage bolt and you drop it into the top of the M-Rack, and then you place the plastic washer on top of that. Then you grab your Eyenut and spin it into place and tighten it all the way up until you have it exactly where you want it.